Had to go through the fucking forest, dude. They didn't wait for us. Where you at, though? Well, you okay?
Oh my god.
Nuts?
Me and Adrian went up that trail over there.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. Adrian had to dip out.
Yeah?
Yeah, I had shit to do.
Okay.
Oh my god.
That whooped your ass.
Fuck.
But you're okay.
Yeah. Let me call Logan. He went down the other way looking for you guys.
Yeah. We might as well just go up that way, huh?
Oh.
We might as well just go up that way. Well, he just went this way and he's like, it's fucking.
Which way?
They fucking already went up, came down. He just came down the fucking P&T part.
Me and Adrian did. Fucking gnar. Oh, yeah.
Water. Water. I need water. I didn't know what the fuck. If they going over to Dan's or not. I just said, fuck it, man. It looked like you guys were struggling up there. I said, I'm just going to go down the hill now.